Hello everyone, welcome to Friday Business Stories. Today's story starts somewhere at 1948 when a young boy named N. Rangarao, he left his village in salaried job, came to Mysore to start a small business of incense sticks. That time the incense sticks were not having very strong fragrance, they were not burning consistently and the quality was low. He saw that gap and to fulfill the gap and his devotion both, he started a small business in Mysore. He made high quality incense sticks. When he went to shopkeepers to request them to keep stock his product, they refused it. So rather than begging to them, he came out of the shop, he took out two sticks, and during the peak customer hours, he would burn those two incense sticks and he go out. Customers would come and they ask the shopkeeper, wow, this is a lovely fragrance. Do you have this agarbatti or the incense stick? Of course, they don't have it. So they say, no, we don't have it. Next day again, he will go and he talked to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper would say that people like it, so we want to stock it. But he was not giving them. He again gave two incense sticks and he told them, go home, burn it. So shopkeeper had no choice. He cannot sell two incense sticks. So they went home, they burned that sticks at home. Neighbors loved it. After a few days, he went and he started stocking his product in different shops, and that's how the Cycle Agarbatti in India started. And today, Cycle Agarbatti owns more than 30% of the market, sells their agarbattis or the incense sticks in 75 countries. They have the turnover of more than 1700 crore Indian rupees, and they sell around 12 billion agarbattis, incense sticks per year. So everything starts at very small level. You need to identify the gap in the market and be consistent. Just think out of the box to market your product and services, because if there is a gap in the market, definitely customers are ready to buy. You just have to find innovative and creative ways to reach to them. And if you enjoy this story, subscribe and wait for the next story and share with someone who may need it.